What's up guys, HS Studio Creative. We're back again for another video shoot, but this time's going to be like a tutorial. I'm going to show you how to shoot a video cinematic way. I have an iconic car. This is a Toyota AE86. This thing is in pristine condition, no rust whatsoever. I asked the owner, look, I love the car, I always wanted one. Can I do a video shoot and a photo session of the car? He said, yeah. I got another question. Can I pick it up and drive it to the destination? He said yes. Yo, that blew my mind. Shout out to my cousin Gaddiel. He let me get the car, take it over here and do my little work. So on this video I'm just going to show you a little small quick tutorial of what do you need to do a video shoot on a car. So first of all, you need a good camera, nothing too expensive. I went with a Canon 90D. It shoots 4K at 24 and it does 60 and 120 at 1080p. It's really good quality. It's a crop sensor, but I know how to play around with the lenses. So right now you also want to get a good low aperture lens because you want to get that shallow depth of field. It's not a full frame, so you want to get really low f-stops on a crop sensor in order to mimic a full frame. So I went with the Canon 17-55 f2.8 as my zoom lens, and I also have Canon f1.8 50mm, and I had the Sigma 35 f1.4, but I traded in for a DJI Mini 2 drone. I'm gonna be in the market for the Sigma 1835 f1.8, but these lenses right now are gonna work. You don't need nothing too crazy. So you want to have a good lens with a low f-stop, so you could let in more light and you don't get a lot of grain and you don't have to bump up your ISO. So what you want to look for always is details on your car. Every car has different details. Of course, this is an iconic car from Japan, my all-time favorite, and it has a lot of cool details. Even though it's stock, you can still get good details on stock cars that are in pristine conditions. The bumpers, the pop-up headlights, that's iconic. The side mirrors, the small little 14-inch tires with the white lettering, like that's really cool. It's fresh, it looks nice. The bumpers in the back, the way everything is just square looking, it's just so cool. And yeah, the interior is still on a working process. Everything's there. It's not that bad, but for real, this is a fresh car. So what you need to do to shoot a really good cinematic video will be a camera, a good gimbal that can stabilize your video, an external monitor so you can see what you're shooting. That way you don't have to see that little screen on your camera. If you could get an external mic, that would be nice. And ND filter so you could have the correct shutter speed. 24 frames per second for cinematic and 60 for that slow-mo, buttery, smooth, content. So yeah, that's all you need. A camera that could shoot 4K at 24 and 60 if it can. If not, if it does it at 1080, it'll be great. A good lens. I'll suggest a 1 zoom lens and like probably 2 prime, like at least a mid and a tighter shot, like a 50 and an 85. So yeah, that's all you really need. I have linked up all my accessories that I have bought on Amazon, so you guys go look and take a look, and if you like it, you can buy it, so yeah, that's all you really need, and always look for good details, okay? So ND filter, a polarizer as well. When it's sunny outside, you want to stop reflection from the paint. A good camera that can shoot 4K 24 or 60. A gimbal to stabilize your footage, and a external monitor so you could have good access to what you're filming. So right here we got a Toyota AE86. My cousin is fresh. Had fun driving it down the city. Everybody was waving at me, but this is all you really need to make cinematic videos. Just play around, keep practicing. Practices makes you more good, makes you perfect. So you practice, you shoot, and you repeat, like Matty Hapoya says, huh? Alright, so guys, this is a dream of mine to shoot an AE86. I've been looking for one for a long time. He has 2, not 1 but 2. And he said, yeah, go pick it up and go shoot. I was like, cool. So we're here shooting, having fun, experimenting, and I'm gonna do the drone footage right now, shoot a couple drone scenes and call it a day. So this is all you really need, guys. a good camera, stabilizer, external monitor, and the filter, and a couple good lenses. That's all. Alright guys, so I'll see you on my next video.